Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the topic AI in work and how it is going to change the future of workspace. It's a topic that you might see in your GD. So when you get a topic in your GD, you can either speak in favor of it or against. Here in this slide, we'll see points both in favor and against of the topic. So let's begin with the points in favor of the topic. First point is the most obvious benefit of AI is the automation of repetitive, time consuming processes. Here, you can maybe give an example of sales and customer service, where rather than waiting to speak to a representative, AI lets customer access the information they need when they need it. Second point is supporting content creation. Here you can state how AI can help streamline the creative process of a skilled writer, or maybe give another example of a service where AI helps with the content creation process. Moving on to the third point, AI also helps in job creation. You can also preface this point by stating how, despite the concern about job displacement, it's predicted that automation will lead to many new jobs being created. And when you speak about such points, make sure to put in some data that can help elevate your answer or your point. So here you can mention that in 2022, 35% businesses hired data engineers for AI related positions. The fourth point is about cybersecurity, where you can state that how AI and machine learning will be critical technologies for detecting and anticipating threats. Moving on to the fourth point, which is an edge for the aged, which in which you can state how AI is likely to provide a kind of augmented intelligence to older workers, which can enable experienced professionals to fully leverage their talents and skills. Now we'll see some points that are against the topic. We'll start with the first point, which is job search. You can elaborate this point by stating how artificial intelligence can significantly impact the job search process and how an automated application tracking system can reject up to 75% of the resumes even before a person goes through them. The second point is a threat to ethics. So here you can state how people may act less ethically when collaborating via AI. So you can give a few examples of some services where a lot of AI as a digital assistant is used and how customers and even the AI itself can pose a threat to the ethical values of the company. Moving on to the third point, which is a tool for the hackers. Here you can state how AI makes the scamming much easier and much more dangerous. And you can give a few examples of some sectors where using AI as a tool can give leverage to hackers to easily scam people who may not be as much aware of how AI works. We'll move on to the fourth point, which is loss of jobs in a few sectors, where you can give examples of some sectors which are mostly affected by the use of AI, such as jobs in manufacturing, data entry, and customer service. So these jobs may see a decline due to the adoption of AI-powered automation. And the fifth point is loss of human connection between the customers and the company and among team members. So here you can say that skills like self-awareness, empathy, creativity, collaboration, and problem solving are directly affected by a lack of human interaction. The more a person uses AI for doing the job, the more the team is disconnected. So you can use these points to speak against the topic in your GD, and you can also use the points which you saw in the favor if you wish to speak in favor of the topic in your GD. So that's all for today, and make sure to like, subscribe to Faisy Out. Thank you.